Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very nice day. It's our first snowstorm in New England, Connecticut. I'm about to do some plowing. This is the truck I'm using. It's a F350 with a 12-foot plow and a sander. Right now it's freezing rain. I already plowed half of the property and I gotta plow the rest. Guys, if you like this video, well, I would like this video to reach at least 1,000 viewers and a couple new subscribers. So let's get to it. Yes guys, it's really cold out there. It's freezing rain. This is the beginning of the storm. It should be end on Tuesday morning. So I got like 3 days of plowing. I'm done here for now. Parking lot is looking sweet. I will be back here right now. It's 7:30. I'm gonna be back here like 2-3 o'clock in the morning to do a couple more cleanups before opening business hours. But it's looking really good right now, guys. Like I said, I want this video to have at least 1,000 viewers or more and a couple new more subscribers. Please help me reach that goal, guys. Guys, this snow is really heavy. Really heavy. Fell for like about 3 hours already. Now it's freezing rain.